Pasensya na kayo mga loves kasi meron kayong maririnig na mga barko, no? Meron po akong barko dito. Pump boat pala. Barko na pump boat. Pasensya na kayo. But anyway. So, meron ditong nagtatanong. Hindi siya nagtatanong. Isa siyang basher. Pinagtatawa na namin ni Tamil kasi Englishero siya. Hindi siya, from other countries siya. Pero, I think dito siya eh. Pero, ang iba yung flag na nasa niya. Pero marami siyang mga sinasabi actually sa akin tungkol kay Tami. Dapat iusauli na daw ako ni Tami doon sa Pilipinas para balik pobre daw. And then, ang nagagalit talaga siya dahil disgusting daw, wala daw ako sa Pilipinas, disgusting daw, bakit daw gumagamit ako ng fingers. Marami siyang mini-message mga loves. Ito lang yung in-screenshot ko. Kaluka man ito. Pasensya na kayo sa aking asawa. Hindi man ako makapag-video Pero natutulog kasi siya. Pero mag-usap tayo. Punta tayo doon sa sa dining room. Tara. Kasi sabi pa niya sa akin, disgusting daw yung magamit ng finger, no? Marami siyang sinasabi na you're using your finger, it's so disgusting. Sabi pa niya. So ako, tawa ako ng tawa. Sabi, marami talaga, as in, tinuruan ako ni Tami paano mag-response kasi iba naman kasi ako mag-response. Ako diritsahan ba, pero si Tami kakaiba. So, grabe yung tawa namin sa babaeng ito kasi talagang hindi ako nilubayan mga loves. Hindi ako nilubayan. And then, sabi pa niya, do you work for living? I doubt it, 'di ba? Sabi niya. So ito lang yung in-screenshot ko sa kanya, pero marami siyang mga disgusting mga lalo na sa pagkain daw, para daw akong so disgusting na wala daw ako sa Pilipinas. Ganun. Marami talagang hindi naniniwala na ang mga tao na video creator kumikita, okay? Kumikita po, okay? I earn money. Huy, I earn money. Sabihin na naman yung yabang mo talaga. Ganun. Mga ibang Pilipino talaga, sabihin na naman, ang dami actually nagsabi sa akin na mayabang ako dahil sa 1 million. Hindi nga nila tinitignan yung video kung bakit nasabi kong 1 million. Hindi naman ako nagsabi na dala ko 1 million mga loves. Pero yun, isingit ko lang yun dito kasi ang daming nagsasabing mayabang ako. So hindi po ako magdalang ng 1 million mga loves. Na-mention ko lang yun sa video at sarap i-title. So ang dami ka rin maiirita kapag mag-title ka ng ganyan. Pero ang ibig sabihin yon sa video na yan, laman ng content is tungkol sa sa taong nagsasabi yung 1 million is kulang. Natawa ako sa 300,000 per week is kulang, mga ganon. So anyway, so sasabihin ko lang po, hey, if you're watching because you're commenting everywhere, you comment every videos. It's not every videos. If you don't like my video, you comment and being hateful, no, sa akin. So anyway, so yes, I earn money, darling. Yeah, kumikita din ako. Kumikita din yung mga video creator, no? Kahit sa pagre-reels lang. May mga reels creator na kumikita, and then meron ding reels video live, kumikita yan sila, okay? Picture, text, kumikita kami mga loves. So yun yung sasabihin ko, yes, I earn money. And then you were saying na the million that yung dala daw, ang dalhin ko ng pera, yung sa akin daw is kay Tami daw yung lahat. So, yun. So, galit na galit siya sa akin mga loves. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sobra siyang galit sa akin. Una sa lahat, hindi ko siya ni-replyan sa pinakauna. And then, sunod-sunod yun, turot patutsadan niya mga loves sa iba't ibang yung kumakain ako, yung kami ni Tami. So, yun, kapag hindi na ninyo makita yan, meron nga isang bashers, binablock ko na siya mga loves kasi yung parang sobra parang na toxic na yung mga comment niya ba, and then hindi na siya lahat ng mga comment nire-replyan niya, ganon. And then so kapag wala kayong makita na mga sinabi ko yung sa 1 million na video, na wala kayong makita na basher, meron po doon nagwala siya the whole few hours until pagkagabi din block ko na siya kasi nagsabi yung isang commenter na i-block mo na kasi sakit sa ulo. Sobrang sakit talaga sa ulo. But anyway, so yun lang yung sasabihin ko mga loves. So may mga tao talagang kahit magkikita kang creator and nasa bahay ka lang, and then sabihin agad nila, hindi ka naman kumikita dyan, magtrabaho ka, ganon. So, kapag sabihin mo naman, yes, kumikita ako, meron kaming pera, as a video creator, meron kaming pera, sabihin na naman ng ibang Pinoy, ang yabang mo, ganon, di ba? Ganyan yan mga love. So, wala kang lusot. Pag lusot ka man, pisat. So, maudyo na iingon nga, pisat, kahit ano pang sasabihin mo, kapag yung ibang Pilipino is, talagang ayaw ka at ayaw nila yung nakikita na may success kang kaunti. So, ida-down ka lalo nila. So, yun yung naobserbahan ko talaga. At alam naman natin yan mga loves na kapag yung isang Pilipino is gumaganon konti, may makikitang may parang, maganda yung buhay nito. Masarap away-awayin kasi hindi nila nakikita, hindi nila nagugustuhan yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, yun kaya yun yung mga dahilan ng ibang bashers na ipupush kang down and then sabihin kang yabang mo, hindi mo naman yan kayamanan. And then they will start asking you if you worked, how, wala ka ng pera, and then wala ka namang trabaho. So, pakialam ko. So, ngayon, sabihin ko sa iyo, hoy, I work hard. Okay? I work hard. If I reply into your comment, I work hard. So, that means I pay attention to you. That means, I pay attention to you. That means I earn money by replying you. And also, I'm earning money by you watching my video and commenting. Okay? So, if you can't understand my Tagalog, paaka na lang akong lubot para makasabot ka. Kapoy ba ni mo? Your light and your windshield. It's really foggy too. Hello mga loves. So my husband wanna go running. And it's very foggy, rainy, and he's smoky. So he's driving. Hindi okay pakiramdam ko mga loves na nagpahinga lang ako sa kama kanina and
Macarena?
Can you sing for your channel?
No, Macarena?
My name is not Macarena. He's talking to his friend. He was talking to his friend. They're talking about candies.
You're talking about the Halloween trick.
The Halloween mga loves. And then, it's been almost 8 years over here in this house. Pero walang kumakatok. We've been buying candies. And then, slow down here. There's a truck.
I've seen it. It's parked on the side.
Yeah, but who knows? Slow down.
Park on the side.
And that's a bad spot to do that. It's curved area there.
It's too funny, his face.
Yeah, but it's curved.
So what? You can see him.
Watch out. Stay in your lane.
Seriously?
Yes, hon. That's the problem when you want me to go with you. You're happy to be with me, right? You're happy, hon. Just accept it, hon.
It's good to me.
Just accept it, honey. You love to be. You love me being with you, right?
Yes.
You
Yes.
do.
You and your respect.
Ayaw ko sana sumama mga loves. Kaso, sabi pa niya, let's go. Sige, right. Ayaw ko sana because, meron ako and then sakit ng ulo ko and then pag ganon pa siya, no? And then, namukos man, gusto yun niya sumama. You slow down driving, love, because it's raining, love. Slow down, uy. Is your light on? Don't worry about these people behind you.
Don't worry about people behind me. Doesn't much care about them. I don't drive for them.
Lalo sa...
Why is my GPS has me going in the wrong direction? You see it?
Yes, that's this one.
Yeah, I know. Why would it change? Do it again.
Okay, that's it.
No, no.
So, kaya ngayon, so nakasama ako, and then ayaw ko sana, di ba? Ito si Tami. Ito si Tami, ano siya ba? Yung parang, parang gusto niyang magkasama kami sa mga ganito, mga sakay-sakay. Gusto niya akong magkasama. Kahit paminsan na hindi okay pakiramdam. Naawa ata sa akin. Ako lang mag-isa kasi umalis kasi siya kanina. And after you went to the place to make an appointment, you came back.
Yeah. They're busy, you'll pack.
They're busy in this hour.
Yeah.
It's been raining mga love. So the leaves,
I know. So many days I miss this turn.
Why?
Like in the morning, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Seriously, honey?
Yeah.
So that means you go farther.
Yeah.
this turn?
I don't know, just miss it.
Slow
You ought
down
to put
here.
a light or something on this corner so you know. Something. This guy ought to tell me to put a street light up.
Hello, uy, slow down ba?
Hey, you think I was flying or something the way you're talking?
You are. Just park somewhere close. Or
What's that?
okay.
Okay.
Close the thing in the back. Give me the car key. Shut off. So many bags, only one bag, okay?
Okay.
Hoy, listen. One bag.
I'll see what they got.
Andito na si Mister. Look. Wala, parang ang dami namang binili nito ba? And what did you get? How many candies? There you go again, honey.
3. Oh.
So, what else did you get?
I got 2 things of dog food.
Of course, another dog food.
Cat foods.
Okay.
Some cat treats. The ones that I couldn't find the other day. But they really like the mac and cheese one.
Ano lang ako nitong asawa ko, guys. Nagsama-sama lang ako. Ngayon pa uwi na kami. Nagpabukid mong gutahan.
Oh,
Nagpabukid ta.
okay, that.
Yeah, we live in the mountainside. But it's a nice side, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the trees. Oh, so nice. But you guys, you can't see it. Look, the mountain over there.
I can see it.
No, the people in the...
I'm filming it. I can see it.
Yeah, but it's not that clear. Look, oh, nice over there. And the house is over there. It's a nice countryside. I like it.
Car.
Picking.